Hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So in this video, I'm going to introduce about the transmission part of our friction drive incineration rotary kilns. So on the left, you can see this is the motor. The motor is connected to the fluid coupling, and the fluid coupling is connected to the reducer. And then the reducer is either connected to the pinions or it is connected to the supporting roller. Because we have two types of incineration rotary transmission methods. Because we have one is pinion and a girth gear drive. That is the standard one. And then we have this one, the friction drive, two-base friction drive transmission method, which means the whole rotary kiln is driven by two motors, two reducers on the supporting rollers to making the rotary incineration rotary kilns to rotate. So yeah, thank you guys. I'll introduce about other part of our incineration rotary kiln. Thank you guys.